Did you know that in Estonia there are more than 1,500 public e-services available over the internet? In 2014 alone, more than 340 million interactions were made within the ecosystem of Estonian e-government. That is about 1 million a day. The question is, what is its impact? What is its economic, political, and social impact? If you're interested in not only how the e-government works and what it is, but how to assess and measure the impact of public e-services, this class is specifically tailored for your needs. In 16 weeks, you will learn how new technologies evolve and diffuse in the society. You will use large-scale datasets that are actually generated by Estonian e-government, and you will learn analytical techniques how to assess and measure the impact of public e-services. We will run online workshops, visit key public institutions that are responsible for maintaining and developing Estonian public e-services. And we have a great lineup of guest speakers for you. People who are practitioners and visionaries behind the Estonian e-government. This class gives you unique, hands-on, analytical experience that is critically missing in the current job market, making you a strong candidate to pursue a career in the realm of e-governance in the public or private sector. Register here, and we'll see you in the classroom.